How to fix 0xC000012F bad image error in Windows? In this tutorial, I'll show you a few solutions that may help fix the problem. First, click the Search button on the taskbar. Type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now enter the following DISM command: dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and press Enter. You can find the command in the video description and copy and paste it into Command Prompt. Wait for the DISM process to complete. This may take several minutes, so don't close the window while it's running. Once the first command is completed successfully, run the second system repair command sfc/scannow from the video description and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish completely. Next, open your web browser and search for Visual C++ redistributable download. Open the official Microsoft page for the latest supported Visual C++ redistributable. Choose the version that matches your Windows system. For most 64-bit Windows PCs, download the x64 version. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Accept the license terms, then click Install. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes and wait for the installation to finish. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, try opening the application again and check whether the 0xC000012F bad image error has been resolved. And that's it. These steps can help fix the 0xCC000012F bad image error in Windows. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below which solution worked for you.